A movie theater ordered 31 boxes of candy. Each box contained 199 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy is that in all? So we're talking about 31 boxes. Each box is 199. 31 groups of 199 is multiplication. So we're going to do 31 times 199. Now I'm going to set up the regular old math algorithm, and when I do this, I always put my larger number on top. So I'm going to do 199 times 31. Now this is a 3-digit times a 2-digit. So what we're going to do is take the bottom number and multiply the 1 to all of these numbers right to left. So 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. Easy peasy. Now when we move to our next number over, we always drop a 0 in the ones place value, and then we repeat the same process with 3, knowing that we are going to have to carry over a few times. So 3 times 9 is 27. Write out your 7, carry over the 2. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. Write out your 9, carry over the 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And we're done. Now we add these numbers up together. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Write out your 6. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Write out your 1. Carry over a 1. And 1 plus 5 is 6. So the number we get is 6, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1,169. Now this is a word problem, so let's answer using words. How many pieces of candy is that in all? 6,169 pieces of candy. And that's your answer.